Have you ever passed by a home where the front yard was small, yet somehow felt complete, inviting, and quietly beautiful? Where a soft green lawn glowed in the morning light, where a simple path led gently to the entrance, and where even a minimal fence felt warm and welcoming. Sometimes it's the smallest front yards that hold the greatest charm. A reminder that elegance doesn't depend on space, but on the way each detail is shaped with intention. And maybe a cozy entrance begins not with size, but with the feeling it gives you the moment you arrive. In today's modern homes, compact front yards are becoming thoughtful masterpieces of design. People are choosing simplicity over excess, clean lines, soft textures, and natural greenery that make the entrance feel peaceful and personal. A small lawn, a well-placed plant bed, and a minimalist fence can completely transform the exterior of any home. This shift toward intentional simplicity is redefining curb appeal, proving that even the tiniest front yard can feel stylish, warm, and beautifully balanced. It's a way of welcoming others and yourself with calm energy from the very first step. Before we continue, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, a space where modern design meets cozy, meaningful living. Here we explore small space ideas, elegant outdoor inspiration, and creative ways to make every corner of your home feel inviting. If you enjoy simple designs that bring beauty and comfort, we'd love for you to join our community. Now, let's step into the world of compact front yard design and discover the art of creating a welcoming, green, minimal entrance. The foundation of a beautiful compact front yard is clarity. When space is limited, clean layouts are essential. A small green lawn instantly adds freshness. Its soft texture creates a sense of openness that visually expands the yard. Keeping the lawn modest in size makes it easy to maintain, while leaving room for a pathway, flower bed, or a cozy entrance area. A healthy green patch brings structure to the yard, making the home feel polished and cared for. Next comes the entrance, the heart of the front yard's character. A simple pathway is often enough to elevate the entire look. Stone slabs, light-coloured pavers, or narrow gravel paths guide the eye while maintaining an elegant, minimal feel. A gentle curve adds charm, while a straight path creates a clean and modern look. Pairing the pathway with small border plants, like ornamental grasses, lavender or boxwood, brings softness without overwhelming the space. Planters can add depth and personality. Tall planters near the entrance create height and frame the doorway beautifully. Terracotta pots add warmth, ceramic pots add sophistication, and wooden planters bring natural charm. Even a few thoughtfully placed plants can make a compact yard feel lush and full of life. The minimal fence is one of the most defining elements in compact modern design. Instead of heavy, closed-off fences, homeowners are choosing clean, open styles, thin wooden slats, black metal rails, or low-profile designs that offer just enough structure without blocking the view. A minimal fence feels inviting rather than restricted. It outlines the space while keeping the atmosphere airy and open. Its simplicity allows greenery and architectural lines to stand out, creating a harmonious balance. Lighting also plays a powerful role. Warm outdoor lights along the path or near the entrance create a welcoming glow during the evenings. Even small solar-powered lights can add charm while remaining budget-friendly and efficient. Good lighting enhances textures, highlights plants, and gives the yard a gentle, cozy character. Colour selection brings everything to life. Soft neutrals, muted greens, warm browns, and natural stone tones work beautifully in compact front yards. They create a calm, cohesive palette that blends seamlessly with nature. Nothing feels loud or overdone, just peaceful and inviting. Tiny details matter more in small spaces. A well-chosen doormat, a simple bench, a small wall-mounted planter, or a single decorative pot can add personality without clutter. These touches help tell the story of the home, calm, thoughtful, and quietly elegant. And as you walk up the path in the soft evening light, you realise something simple and beautiful. An elegant entrance doesn't depend on size. It depends on intention. A little greenery, a thoughtful fence, a cosy path, and suddenly your front yard becomes a warm invitation. Thank you for joining us today. If this inspired you to embrace simplicity and charm in your own home, stay with us as we continue exploring small spaces that feel spacious, stylish, and soothing. Because the most beautiful entrances aren't grand. They're crafted with care, warmth, and the quiet art of thoughtful design.